Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to make moist pound cake, so keep watching. You need 2 large eggs, half cup of sugar, that's 100 grams. Beat it until it becomes fluffy. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Add half teaspoon of vanilla. Beat it together. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Add 1 cup of flour. Add a teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve and mix well. Add half cup of milk. Mix it well until there are no lumps. Grease and line the pan. Pour the batter into the pan. Then tap it to remove air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Let the cake cool in the pan for some minutes, then remove the baking paper. If you tried this recipe, let me know how you got on in the comment section below. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up. See you again soon.